What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little different. Well, we're starting in the truck because my father-in-law is cutting some more stuff with the CNC rotor table. I don't want to tell him, hey look, you gotta stop cutting because I gotta film a video. No, I can't do that. I am very privileged and very happy that he lets me use his shop to film these videos and to do all the work on my truck. The truck is almost done, guys. Literally like 3 things that I need before I can go get this thing safetied. One thing is, I can show you guys right here. This wire is supposed to have a sensor on it. It's a little sensor that goes in that hole there, which is a sensor that tells your daytime running lights when to go on and off because of light and darkness. So it senses the light from the sun, and it'll tell your daytime running lights when to be on and off. For some reason that's not there. I don't know what's going on with that. So either way, we got to get all those resistors out of there and put an actual sensor in there and put that sensor back to where it belongs. So the other main thing is I need a Cadillac converter yet for the exhaust, which we'll get that figured out. So the other thing, other than the Cadillac converter, is a wiring harness for the license plate lights in the back. Not sure where that harness went. No idea, actually. I'm supposed to also have sensors for the back, but I don't know where those are, or the wiring harness for that. So the sensors we don't need to pass safety, so we're not going to worry about those for right now. I do plan on putting them back in eventually because it's a nice thing to have, and if you got the holes in the bumper, you might as well have the sensors there. But the only thing we're going to mainly work on is these 3 things yet. Gonna get those done probably off camera. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below, turn on the notifications. Also, please give this video a like and comment your thoughts down below. Enjoy the video. It was rubbing on the kicker braces earlier. We ended up cutting, I don't know if you guys can kind of see that weld. There's a weld there anyway. We ended up cutting it and making it a different angle and then welding it back together. Okay, so this is the door that I ended up just barely painting from the outside. So it turned out alright. Yeah, it's back together finally. That is, everything has been painted now. Everything that needs to get painted is painted. Interior is all back together. Last piece of interior was this B-pillar stuff. Putting that back together, got that back together there. We got everything painted. This door, the bottom of this back door, the box side, it needs some sanding just like the other side did. We ended up getting this bumper fit better thanks to my dad helping me with that. My dad was also the one that came and helped me with the exhaust and bleeding my brakes finally, that since I replaced the brake lines a couple months ago. I do need to fix this dent though in the back bumper before we wrap it. I'm just gonna tap it out probably with a hammer. But yeah, that is that's pretty much where we're at. She's looking pretty freaking good for how low of a budget this rebuild was. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Not a whole lot happening. Basically just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the truck, show you guys what's been done off camera because I've decided to kind of just hurry up and get this process done because we want to just drive the truck already. Off camera, filming it, as you guys know, takes a lot of, well, maybe you guys don't know, when you film something, you pretty much add double your time to whatever you're doing to film it. And then you have to sit there and edit it. And I've been trying to up my editing quality with lots of cool B-roll and, you know, decent lighting and stuff, and trying to do more color grading, audio, you know, all of it, trying to get better at it. So when I do film, it takes a lot more time. So I'm just trying to hurry up and get this thing done. Once we actually start doing cool stuff to it, you know, upgrades, wheels and tires, the wrap, all that stuff, that'll obviously I'm gonna film all of that stuff. Because you guys want to see that stuff. That stuff's cool. That stuff I want to document for you guys. But make sure you guys are going to subscribe, like I said in the beginning of the video. Subscribe to my account or my channel, because we got lots of cool stuff coming. If you guys are interested in the wrap industry, we got lots of cool content coming. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.